Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to show or hide tab previews on OpenGX. Now what do you mean by this? Now if I hover over here, this is a preview. You can see preview is currently available for this. Currently available. But there's some that will show if you already, because all those ones you see I haven't actually opened them yet. So it will show you unavailable for now. As you can see. Now, to be able to see this tab preview, for example, you can see this tab preview for my speed dial. You can see it right there. To enable this or to hide this feature, is what we're going to be working on today. Let's get started. From the home page, you right click, click on settings, let's click on settings, then there's some menu here, click on privacy and security, right hand menu, scroll all the way down until it's advanced, click on advanced, open it up, and then you look for user interface. Here it is. And you can see show tab previews. Right now it is enabled, that is why I could do what I did of showing you the previews. You can see the previews, the ones that are not available, they'll tell you it's not available currently because right now I've not opened it. The one I opened then, you can see showing. Now however, anytime you want to hide it, just simply follow the same steps, but turn it off here. It's as simple as that. And see it's no longer showing. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.